amazing because today we've got something epic to draw together. First of all, thank you so much for sending your awesome drawings. I love seeing each and every one of them. You're all super talented. And guess what? We've got a fun surprise. Every Sunday, I'll be featuring your drawings in our videos. So make sure to send your artwork to the email down in the description. I can't wait to see your colorful creations. Now, are you ready to find out what we're drawing today? It's the one and only Superman! Get your pencils, markers, or crayons ready. It's going to be super fun. And don't forget, hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and ring that notification bell so you never miss a new drawing adventure with us. Let's fly into today's drawing. It's coloring time! Let's bring our amazing Superman drawing to life with some bright and bold colors. Grab your favorite crayons, markers, or colored pencils and let your imagination fly. Are you ready? Let's color together and make Superman look super awesome. Make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. Make sure to subscribe, give a like, and tap the bell so you won't miss the next videos. And we're done with today's drawing. Ooh, that was so much fun, wasn't it? I can't wait for our next colorful adventure, so be ready for it. And hey, don't forget to send me your amazing drawings. I'd love to show them in Sunday's video. Just email them to the address in the description below. Also, make sure to check out our previous videos. There's so much more fun waiting for you. And please don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss our next drawing. See you soon, little artists. Bye!